Pakinggan ang espesyal na pagtatanghal ng regional stations para sa pagdiriwang ng ika-72 taon ng katapatan ng ating Panginoon sa mga himpilan ng Far East Broadcasting Company.
Radyo Gandingan is a community-based radio that involves local community people in producing their own radio program. Aired in Muslim-friendly commercial station RMNDX-MY here in Cotabato City from Tuesday to Saturday, 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. and Wednesday, 6:15 p.m. to 8 p.m. Gandingan is a Maguindanaoan instrument used to summon people to action. The radio program provides community people access to express their views, opinions, and beliefs. This is done by handing the microphone over to the people and letting them decide the kind of programs they want to produce, thus creating a sense of ownership among them. Radio formats include drama, community news, discussions, interviews, featured stories, and public service announcements. Since 1999, Radyo Gandingan has been a regular voice for the people of Maguindanao. It uses the participatory approaches of radio to empower individuals to make positive changes in their communities. We partner with 12 poor Muslim communities in Cotabato City and in Maguindanao. We train local talents to produce regular radio programs to inform, educate, advocate, and discuss about issues in these 12 communities, and we integrated with on-the-ground activities. Most community radio talents and volunteers are uneducated but are empowered to become agents of change within their communities. The broadcast of the program serves as the Air Force, and the regular community activities and special community projects that we are doing in these communities serve as the ground force. The overall goal of Radyo Gandingan is to provide an effective community-based radio program that reflects the needs and promotes social development of our partners, the poor Muslim communities, and of course, to bring them to our Lord Jesus Christ through compassion and love in creative ways. From your Radyo Gandingan family here in Cotabato City, Farm, happy 72 years anniversary, FEBC.